afternoon, students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. The topic that I have taken up for today is the sentence. So today we will be dealing with sentence, structure of sentence, its type and few examples of sentence. So what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of sentence? That is, a group of words which make complete sense is called sentence. Students, here I have written few group of words. I am reading it for you. Blue is the sky. Brother, my Rahul is. Student am I. So my question is, can I consider all these group of words as a sentence? No. Why? Because they are group of words, but they are not making any sense in them. On the other hand, the sky is blue, Rahul is my brother, I am a student. Are they a sentence? Yes, they are a sentence because they are making complete sense. Next thing, so basically about sentence we must know few things. First thing, a sentence should always make complete sense in itself. Second thing, a sentence always starts with capital letter. Third thing, a sentence always ends with either full stop, exclamatory mark or question mark. Next thing is parts of sentence. There are two main parts of a sentence. A sentence will always consist of two different parts. First one is subject and second is predicate. What is subject? A word or a phrase that says who or what does something. In short, we can say doer of an action. The main action, who does that action or what that action is about, is known as subject. Predicate, the part of a sentence that says something about the action of the subject. In short, we can say that subject is the doer of an action and predicate is the action of any subject. Here are a few examples. Let me read that. Delhi is the capital of India. So here we are talking about Delhi. We are talking about which thing? Delhi. So Delhi is our subject. And what we are talking about Delhi? That Delhi is the capital of India. So is the capital of India is our predicate. See the second one? He has gone to Prayagraj. We are talking about whom? He. So he is our subject, doer. What he has done? He has gone to Prayagraj. So it is the predicate. She was dancing. We are talking about she. She is the subject. She was doing what? She was dancing. So was dancing is predicate. So now let's have a look on kinds of sentence. So basically there are four kinds of sentence. First is declarative. We can also call it assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. So we will deal with it one by one. First one is declarative or assertive. A sentence in the form of a statement is called declarative sentence. So students, declarative sentence are those sentences which are only in the form of a statement. There should not be any kind of request, there should not be any command, or there should not be any kind of feeling of joy, happiness. So the sentence that ends with a full stop and those which are in the form of a statement are known as declarative sentence. They always ends with a full stop. Next thing about declarative sentence is that they can be negative as well as it can be positive. See a few examples here. He will come. It's a declarative sentence in positive, means affirmative. He will not come. This is negative. She is studying. She is not studying. The girl stood on the table. The girl did not stand on the table. So these are the examples of declarative sentence. They can be positive as well as they can be negative. Second is interrogative sentence. A sentence in the form of a question, or in short you can say when there is asking of something, then it will be interrogative sentence and it will always end with a question mark. Now Interrogative sentence are also divided into two parts. First is yes or no type and second is WH type. Yes or no means the questions in which we can get the answer in yes or no. Like, are you leaving school? So I can say that yes, I am leaving school, or no, I am not leaving school. So means if I say yes or if I say no, the answer will be sufficient. The answer will be enough. Is she your best friend? Yes or no. May I ask you a question? Yes, no. Did you notice? So these all questions are examples of yes or no type questions. Second one is WH question. So students, in WH type of questions, the answer should be in proper. The answer should be in detail. Like, what are you doing? You cannot get the answer in yes or no. That will be wrong. Where are you going? Why did you come there? Which is your room? So these all are the examples of WH questions. In these questions, we cannot get the answer in yes or no. You have to give answer in detail. So now, there is another third type of sentence is imperative sentence. So let us know about imperative sentence. A sentence in the form of a command, request, order, suggestion, etc. is known as imperative sentence. So in imperative sentence, it is compulsory that our sentence should be in expression of a command, request, suggestion, etc. Like, and one more thing, it also ends with a full stop. See some example. Please bring me a glass of water. So what is the expression here? It is a request. Shut the door. What is that? It is a order. Let us go out. Suggestion. Get out from here. Again, it's a order, or you can say command. So any sentence in which you get the expression of command, request, suggestion, order, then those sentences will consider as imperative sentence. Lastly, we have exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? A sentence in the form of an exclamation, expression, feeling of joy, sorrow or surprise. In short, you can say any expression or any feeling of sudden feeling. Any expression of sudden feeling. Like, what a terrible accident. You know, when you see some accident, you did not prepare for that, to say that, what a terrible accident. Or when you witness a very beautiful weather, you did not prepare it to say, oh wow, what a wonderful weather. So those are the sudden feelings. Similarly, God save the king. What a beautiful day. How foolish I have been. So these are the examples of exclamatory sentence. Students, exclamatory sentence will always end with exclamation mark. So students, this was it about the topic sentence. In the next video, we will do few more sentence or few more examples of it. Students, you can go to the detail of this video to get the PDF of textbook or some examples of it.